How to Unfreeze Naya Pay Debit Card. Step-by-step tutorial 12. Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Mastery. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to unfreeze your Naya Pay debit card using the Naya Pay app, step by step. Let's begin. Step 1. Open the Naya Pay app. First, unlock your phone and open the Naya Pay app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Go to the Cards section. Once you're inside the app, look at the bottom menu and tap on the Cards tab. This is where your debit card details are displayed. Step 3. Locate your frozen card. If your card is frozen, you'll see a message or icon saying Card is frozen. Tap on the card to open more options. Step 4. Tap Unfreeze Card. Now, tap the option that says Unfreeze Card right below your card image. You'll be asked to confirm this action. Step 5. Enter your MPN to confirm. For security, you'll need to enter your Naya Pay MPN. Once you enter it, your card will be instantly reactivated and ready for use. Important tip: freezing your card is just a temporary safety feature, but if you ever block your card instead of freezing it, it can't be unblocked, and you'll have to order a new one. And that's it. You've successfully unfrozen your Naya Pay debit card in just a few taps. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to How to Mastery, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.